Welcome to Crack-A-Pack. My name's Andrew. Today we're cracking open Theros Beyond Death. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is Nyxborn Brute, followed by MacLeod's Pilgrim, Starlit Mantle, Nyxborn Colossus, Temple Thief, Funeral Rites, Dreadful Apathy, Eidolon of Philosophy, Voracious Typhon, Wings of Hubris, Whirlwind Denial, Impending Doom, Escape Velocity, Wavebreak Hippocamp, Our Land is a Plains, and we have a Pegasus token at the back. So again, we have Plains, Wavebreak Hippocamp, which for 2 and a blue, you get a 2/2 enchantment creature that whenever you cast your first spell during each opponent's turn, you draw a card. So this is great to just get hand advantage in a color that very much wants to be playing spells on their opponent's turn anyway, whether that's counters or just cheap little instance for scrying or for drawing a card, or it's flashing out a creature. Whatever the case may be, this is how you can keep momentum, keep card advantage over your opponent. It's only for your first spell, but that's okay. Like, if this was every time you cast a spell during your opponent's turn, it would be disgustingly broken. It would need to be much more expensive. So for 2 and a blue to get on your first spell, this feels great. Next we have Escape Velocity and Impending Doom, Whirlwind Denial, Wings of Hubris, Voracious Typhon, Eidolon of Philosophy, Dreadful Apathy, Funeral Rites, Temple Thief, Nyxborn Colossus, Starlit Mantle, MacLeod's Pilgrim, and Nyxborn Brute. That's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.